Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this Vietnamese summer roll. It's delicious, appetizing, and very healthy, ideally to eat it on a very hot summer day. Let's get started. You need some salad leaves, mint, basil, mango, cucumber. I cut the mango and cucumber into strips. The next ingredients is the rice vermicelli. You can use the thinner one or these ones, just I happen to have it at home. Follow the instructions on the package to boil them and rinse them under cold tap water. Immediately pinch out a small bunch and then drop them into a plate. It will make it a lot easier when you come to assemble the spring roll together. Next is the star of the show, which are the prawns. These are frozen prawns that I cook them from frozen. For cooking the prawns, put the prawns into a saucepan, add salt, pepper, and then cover the lid and put it on medium heat for a minute or two until it's cooked. It will cook in its own juice and will be quite succulent and tender. Then dry toast some peanuts and then leave them cool and chop them up. For the dipping sauce, you will need apple cider vinegar, water, fresh garlic, lime juice, fish sauce, a bit of water. Mix them all up and taste it. At the end, you might want to add some sugar or maple syrup, whichever you have at home. Now it's time to put it together. You will need this Vietnamese rice paper that you can get from Asian groceries. Take a sheet and dip it in water for about 20 seconds. It depends how thick the rice paper is. Some might take shorter time, some might take longer. When it is softened, put it on a plate. Put the prawns in the middle, across. You can put 2 or 4, whichever you want. And put some mint leaf and basil on top. And then mango. These are all just from one mango, and some cucumber strips across. Some vermicelli. You can see it's easier if previously you have put them into small bundles. And some salad leaves on top at the end. Sprinkle some peanuts on top. And now the dipping sauce and the seasoning. So drizzle them on top. And there's no seasoning in this spring roll, so this is the main seasoning. You can be liberal about it. Now it's time to wrap it up. Fold, bring one side across and bring the other side across. And then one end, and then close the other end. There we have it. It's best to eat as you have finished one. It's easier that way. If you don't eat meat, you can use smoked tofu instead of prawns, and also some other ingredients Like if you have some leftover roast chicken, you can shred them and put them into the spring rolls, or some roast duck as well. Have fun and be creative. Enjoy the summer. Thanks for watching.